Giadiva Harja Gaeilge gamer an seo agus inniu tá mé ag immert Gaelic Football Laochra an céad físclíthe péal Gaeile atá ágin le níos mó na 20 bliana nuas. Agus inniu bé mé ach ag deanú céad rarc an clíthe agus dheanaí mé clíthe amháin idir dún na nGall agus maiile clia agus dheanaí mé léirmheas iomlán ag an deir seachtaine ach inniu tá mé ach ag deanú cinneál céad rarc an clíthe mar sin Stadium Select Neo Park Croquis on Beidir go raibh licensing ceistena already mar sin ach an ceann as Gaeilge Park fog mar sin start match. Well de réir an graphic tá muid fós sa tréimhse PS2 nuair a bhí an clíthe dearannach le péal Gaeile an ach tá mé géirí a bheith jazz don clíthe mar bhí sé deanta le forann bog as Belfirste ach mar sin tá mé géirí a bheith jazz leis.
Let's get ready for a spectacular game of football. The ball is punched clear by Kinnessy during the throw-in. Received at midfield. Tully tries to evade but ends up getting tackled.
Right, lad. Coolín maiile clia.
A huge moment. They snatch the lead. Setting up for the restart.
Right then, lads.
Looking to send it up the field.
Right, lad. Far Gorham ar an foran.
Punt. A quick kick pass ahead. A quick hand pass.
Slower, Rylan. Oh! Oh, bhí sé sin saola. Okay. Foul tackle. Okay. Cé an button an seo. Oh! Ínta short kick. Mar sin.
Kicked away.
Yo, Coolín.
Free kick for a point. Back on level terms with that one. Stepping up for the goal kick following the points. Clean and confident catch, well held. O'Neill takes the ball at the 45-metre. Doyle.
Ireland.
A clean tackle, stops the attack. Interception at the 45-metre line. Takes control. The attempt falls short.
Tána gléasra Jacker nuair nachhfuil an líró jogad. Gutí seo go bhéirí. Rítharáid. Pass lá an seo. Oh. Gear leis an ceann seo. Oh, right lad. Yeah.
And passed on. A quick pass on the boost.
Tá sé seo scrappy ar fad mar grúpa daltaí scola ag immert.
Freeman sends it out from midfield. O'Donoghue.
Sí a bhí sin. Right lad.
The shot
Oh,
is
bhí
denied.
mé bag ná an.
Fantastic save. O'Keefe moved on to boost. A well-placed kick pass. Gorman. Driven off the boost.
Alright.
Hennessy.
Oh, tá sí scrappy ar fad nuair atá tú ag iarraidh an líró deil ar ais.
Setting up for the free kick. Ball in play.
Coolín eile.
Sailed over for
Trí atá acu inis. Caimid check the rash a harja.
Ready to clear the ball after that point. Going long with the kick out. A quick interception right from the kick out. O'Keefe receives the ball from close range. Sindal with a solid kick.
Picture go well me ag Janu Rod Meechard. Could and with ball, without ball. Shoulder tackle, agus chase tackle. Shannon Rod at Tammy Johnny, Neil McKincha.
Progressing off the pitch. O'Keefe.
Tammy Johnny B, agus A, agus Neil Shake Johnny Rudder B. Agus foul.
Ready to take aim for the free kick. The free kick is launched.
Alright, Len.
To intercept the ball.
Oh, Neil.
Delaney, any chance. Turned over. A calm
Into
save under
Marshin.
pressure.
Kicker eye.
The ball is played back to midfield.
Into Rylan. Concha Nisha Harja. Oh, Neil. Oh!
Brilliant read.
Yo!
No mistake.
Ah, chance Mike on Kula like Cooling Kabirby.
Great accuracy there. Lining up for the kick out after the score. Short kick out. What a catch. Took that one perfectly.
Pass lower eye, pass lower eye, Tashion. Ah,
Off the hand. Turnover. Ball intercepted. A well-played
Tashi
kick pass.
Jacker on aiming a Yanu. Mar Neil auto aim on Marta on a FIFA no Clehy Marshin, August Marshin Tatu Igiri on Leroy Jacker I Dro Gart, August Tashishin Jacker Le Yanu on Emroar
Takes aim.
a her sa Dro Gart, August on Leroy Jaganam Kena. Major go class on Nakwal Ogum Goji Shaw.
Lining up to restart play after conceding. Sends it far down the field.
Rylan
Fantastic grab. Took that
just
one with ease.
Riharai Ahara. Kulinar. Inta. Oh, Nia. Oh, Shin. Oh, phew.
Early days, yes. Nothing settled.
Shin Inta. Oh, okay. He Omega Roche off the post at Neil.
Stepping up for the goal kick following the points.
She Maser Hamal Nur. A town Leroy Jagan. Keeper Varlum. Dollarinius Tapi. Ah. Reach.
Hennessy.
Could she Mara Ian to on Leroy Jarash gan Foley, Yanni?
A fast pass from the 45-meter line, and they're on the move. O'Shea with a great read, intercepting the ball from Delaney, lining up for the free kick. A brilliant free kick, received with ease at the D. Sindon quick by the hand. Great work with that tackle.
Alright, then Ish.
O'Shea.
Alright, then.
Lightning
Oh,
reflexes keep
Bognahan.
O'Neill. Brilliant defensive work by Kuntz as they intercept the ball. O'Neill. Great interception. Spins out.
Inta. Alright, then. Ah, gee, shit.
Fantastic pass right on target. nGall positions
Oh,
for a
Inta.
potential game-changing free kick.
Kid free at Algum. Marshin. Cooling.
Ball sent flying from the free kick. O'Donoghue couldn't find the mark with that shot.
Good G.
And ready for the kick out. That's wide attempt.
Ah, man, Cog Morley on.
What a catch. Brilliant
He Omega
football.
Roshi. So throw guard, Ach Bejer Nakball. Inta.
Escape
Pass
from
Lawa.
the ball.
Alright, Lena Harja. Pass Lawa East.
Half-time. Both teams
Oh.
have shown glimpses of brilliance.
Sauce Marshin.
Things to play for in the second half.
Alright, Len
And we're
Marshin.
back underway. Everything to play for.
Yuli Kitcha Kaje on Glas cart a Yanu.
Strong
Bhí
punch
mé
gets the
ag
ball clear off
glúiseacht
the throw-in.
ach níor hála tada ní hiigem. Mar sin, nuair atá an líróide agam, rihí mé ar ai mar íonn sé rá dhheachar gan an líróid.
O'Shea receives again.
Colleen, Colleen. Yo.
O'Shea brings the game back to level terms.
Cahar a cahar.
Splits the post. That's the point. Setting up
Well,
for the
níl na
restart. That's the point.
graficí ínta ach ar a léata an framerate mai color go dtí seo.
Excellent short range pass. Doyle moves the ball from the 45-meter line. Passed off quickly by hand.
Right that. Oh, ínta. Alright, Lane.
A sharp
Pass
pass
Lawa.
off the
Tommy
hand.
John, Tommy John. Cool.
A crucial save.
Oh.
Out of the net. Calmly played out from the D, keeping things steady.
Ínta.
Freeman moves it by hand. Another score.
Yay.
That's their fifth of the match. Accumulating a total. The momentum has swung.
Tá sé
They've
Jackar
taken the lead.
coola al mar sin. Ma
Lining
bhíam
up to
abalta
restart play after
golóir
conceding.
coolíní ail. Bé mé bras astra leis an bua mar sin go béirbí don céad clíthe. Bé clachtú le deanú agam chun coola ail.
He takes off.
Bottle tackle. Sin míhaintáiste eile nach bhfuil Gaeilge an sa clíthe ach tá cúpla áran an as Gaeilge. Sin poncho mai dó ach níl commentary nó scríbneoireacht as Gaeilge an.
Preparing for the kick out after a wide by the opposition. Launching it up the field. Kick out dropped into the path of Gorman. Close range
Jay.
pass.
And sin níos fearr se háide ar Ireland.
The goalkeeper makes a stunning save to deny the attack. O'Neill keeps it moving.
Oh,
Puts that pass out at the D. And passed on. Pushing forward.
Coolí na east. Oh, no cool.
Stunning
Yay,
pass
cool.
with that effort. Now with 8 points
She's
so
shin
far.
níos
That's
fearr,
8
lads.
goals and 5 points so far in this game. A thunderous shot. No
Ain't,
chance for the keeper. A quick setup for the goal kick after letting that in. Sends it out short. A quick pass right on target.
Yeah.
Doyle keeps it moving. The ball is moved up the 45.
Ah, playing advantage is maithlam sin, tá sé sin teanta go mai.
On with a kick. Corcoran passes from the 45-meter line. The evasion attempt fails and gets caught. Caught by the tackle. O'Neill couldn't get away.
Irish.
The free kick is ready to go as Dublin climbs up.
Sin an míhaintáiste is mó go dtí seo tá sé fear dhheachar agus scrapping ar atá tú ag géirí an líróide eile arás.
45-meter line. Owens sends a simple pass to Owens.
Kickara ínta Ireland arís.
Send on quick
Pass
by
Lawa agus Coolín ínta.
O'Shea racks up his third point of the match. They're in front, leading by 5. Lining up one player off and a new one enters for the team. Ready to clear the ball after that point. Keeper kicks short. O'Keefe takes it. The ball is played forward from the 45-meter line with pace. Stopped and taken the other way. Controlled pass.
Fai an líróid. Cé atá tú ag Johnny. Fai an líróid.
O'Reilly. Gorman. O'Reilly.
Oh,
O'Keefe.
Sin níos far. Rylan.
Keeping it going with a ball from midfield. Cut off by the opposition.
Into
nGall is all set for the free kick chance.
Anis free ela agam ac Van go veci me.
The free kick is in motion. McAvoy nails the free kick for a point.
Into Coolin.
That one puts them in front by 6.
Níos far. Is Michael am bailú bog.
Step
Harsh
on
van
the
Canter.
ground. They're now on the field.
Is bog na hon Jake Bumwich a faga an ish.
Short kick.
Ba vralum cool ela ail.
Hold on to that.
Oh, níos far ish. Rylan. Pass lower, pass lower.
Mooney hold on to possession. Receives the pass and holds it.
Well, Michael Orr.
Cash splits the posts. Keeping up the momentum. They now lead by 7. Lining up for the Quirk makes their entrance onto the field. Setting up for the restart after the point. Plays it out short. Outstanding catch under pressure. O'Neill makes a quick pass to Doyle. O'Neill.
Tarash.
Tennessee. O'Neill.
Rylan.
Mooney.
Jevy shin.
Hand passed off cleanly. Monteith
Oh.
makes a crucial save.
Oh. Hamajarash. Hamajarash.
In and wins that ball at the 45-metre line. Snatched away.
Yo.
A quick
Oh.
reaction keeps the ball from going in. Quick pass. Gorman. The referee calls a foul.
Gee.
Ready to take the free kick. Mooney
Oh,
is forward.
traveling. Okay. Michael Orr. Okay. Harshin.
The free kick is launched. The free kick says over for a
Einta. Ní higann go dhéar nearna mé mí ceart an uair eile ach.
8 is the
Bhí sé
difference.
sin an cis.
Lining up Therese Fogarty is
Agus
introduced
dámuid
to
bog
the
na
game,
Creekní
coming on
an
as
ish.
substitute.
Níl mé cinse an
Lining up
mé
to
golóir
restart
am
play
sir
after
chun
conceding. Keeper kicks short.
cool
That's a
eile
really short
ail.
pass.
Oh. Rylan.
That's
Oh.
solid save.
Oh.
Holds the line.
Oh.
Misses the target with that shot, taking position for the goal.
Real.
That's
Bhí
one
an
shot,
bog ná an le
that's the
cool
final
eile.
whistle.
Sin é?
nGall fans are flying high after a great performance here today.
Well, sin é don céad rarc an clíthe. Dhéanaí mé léirmheas an clíthe go thomlan ag an Jerry seachtaine nuair a bheith am sir agam. Bhí crack agam leis an clíthe ach tá sé fíorheachar nuair atá tú ag géirí an líró de ail a ráis. Agus sin an dúchlan is mó atá agam agus tá sé gitabog máil agus scrapaí margheallar sin. A cabbéirbí pléhí mé ahan rob mar sin nuair a bheith an léirmheas deanta agam. Mar sin go raibh míle maithog i bheas a bheith ag gar cathárde. Amór, slán.